Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make croissant donuts. First, prepare your croissant dough, ensuring it's well laminated for those signature layers. After the final fold, chill the dough for at least 2 hours. This firm dough is crucial for easy handling and achieving the perfect texture. Roll it out evenly to about 1/4 inch thick, preparing it for the next steps. Now, let's shape our donuts. Use a 3-inch round cutter to create your desired shapes. You can also use a smaller cutter for the centers to make rings. Carefully place each cut donut on individual squares of parchment paper. This prevents sticking and makes transferring to the fryer much easier. Proof them in a warm, humid environment for 60 to 90 minutes until they are visibly puffy. It's time to fry. Heat your neutral oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully lower the proofed donuts into the hot oil, 1 or 2 at a time, to avoid overcrowding. Fry each side for 2 to 3 minutes until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Once fried, transfer them to a wire rack to drain excess oil. While still warm, dip them in a simple sugar glaze for a classic finish. Now for the fun part, customizing your croissant donuts. Beyond a simple glaze, consider dusting them with cinnamon sugar for a comforting flavor. For an extra treat, fill them with a rich pastry cream or your favorite fruit preserves. A drizzle of melted chocolate or a vibrant flavored icing can also add a delightful touch. Enjoy your homemade, flaky, and delicious croissant donuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.